Hi, this is Robin from Strive PT, going over how to use the foam roller to release your upper hamstrings and the back of your upper thigh, as well as your glutes. So if you're sitting on a foam roller, you want to be on a stool and have yourself not where your legs are out straight, but actually have your knees bent. And that way you're going to expose the hamstring, upper part of your hamstring better. So you can roll back and forth and see if you feel any areas of tension. For me, I feel a little bit more tension on my left side. So what I'm going to do is lean to my left side, and I can roll here, or I can just hang out here in one spot. Or the third option is to move my body on top of the roller. If you want to expose more of the lower glutes, you're going to roll that foam roller forward more, put your hands behind you, and then roll more of your lower glute to your mid glute. So again, scanning the area, finding the areas of stiffness, and if the right side is feeling stiffer, I'm going to lean to the right, and that feels pretty intense to me, so I'm not going to do any more rolling in this position. I'm just going to breathe, allow that lengthening to happen, and really try to let go of that muscle. So if you hold your breath, the muscle's going to hold. If you focus on that exhale, the muscle is going to relax. Coming back up to neutral here, if you feel like you need a little bit more tension, you can figure four your leg, take your ankle, cross it over your opposite knee, and then lean to the side of the leg that's crossed. So that's going to expose the deep hip rotators. Again, you don't need to do a lot of moving of the foam roller. Oftentimes it's just gravity and putting pressure on it that can be super helpful. When you release your upper hamstrings and your glutes, it's going to allow those muscles to function better, and you'll have less tension through there, and functionally a muscle that can relax and contract is much more functionally accessible versus something that's just stiff, okay? So try to release the upper hamstrings and lower glute, see what those feel like, and go from there. Good luck.